Alright, 24 hours with Tavar. We're on a nature walk right now. Just got up and I like to come to this. It's the river, Sacramento River in Pocket. It's a little bike trail, walking trail that I like to come to just to really get on a nature walk with the Lord. So I'm really proud of myself to be out here walking right now, because where I was at, I was scared to go anywhere, but now I'm out here with the real people. Say a prayer for all the passerbys, everybody out here walking and doing their thing, man.
How you doing, bro?
All right. Yeah, so just getting some good vibes out here, starting the day off right. Well, I don't come out here every day, but I came out here Monday, and then today's Wednesday. So I came out here the day before yesterday and just like to walk and see people walking. So it's a big step for me, just getting out the house and now on the bike trail, Pocket, South Sacramento. Alright guys, I'm out. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. See where we end up.